I'm not eating this.
Nope, I don't like that.
It makes me feel disgusting. I think it's like this. We just don't like the vegetables.
I beg your pardon?
It makes me feel like vomiting.
I've set myself a little challenge, and today I have some experts coming in to see me. Kids. Some of them are Coles Mini Roos players, some of them do healthy kicks, and some of them do little athletics. I'm just going to serve them veggies. Let's wait and see what they think. Wish me luck. Who likes zucchini?
No one.
No one.
No, thank you.
Who likes capsicum? Who likes broccoli? Oh,
We love broccoli.
It was disgusting.
I'm going to have a pretty hard job today because I've got to try and make food that you guys love, but I want you to be really honest with me. If you don't like it, you got to say, nah, didn't like that one.
I'll only have a nibble, and if I don't like it, I won't eat it.
That's fair enough with me.
Can you make capsicum yummy?
I know how to cook capsicum like 10 different ways.
Okay.
Well, there's some strong opinions there. I've definitely got my work cut out for me, but I think I can win them over. Sometimes when you're trying to get your kids to eat their veggies, it's just about taking a dish they already love and then packing it full of veggies. Like this recipe, it's a veggie burger. Here's a crazy thing. Most Aussie kids don't get enough veggies, right? So this is a great way for us to get our kids eating more veggies and living a healthier lifestyle. It's a really quick, simple weeknight dinner to make, and I tell you what, I reckon your kids are gonna love it. I mean, look how adorable these little burgers are. Here, I've made a beautiful cheese sauce. Then you can add whatever ingredients you want to it. Another thing that I think kids really like is texture. We start off with that beautiful smooth texture of the mac and cheese. And now, this is how you introduce some crunch. I've got some toasted breadcrumbs. And you sprinkle that all over the top. Oh, they're gonna love it. To get our kids to eat their veggies, I have one final trick up my sleeve. You ready for it? Pizza. Well, kind of. It's actually zucchini, and all I've done is cut it into slices, flour, egg, and breadcrumbed it, and then I pan-fried it. That becomes the pizza base. They go under a hot grill. 4 minutes. Yes. Look at those. I really think the kids are going to love it. What they don't know is it's really, really good for them. Look at that little piece of crispy cheese on the edge. Okay, guess what I've got? So these are what I call my zucchini and capsicum pizza bites. Do you guys normally like cauliflower?
No.
I made you some burgers. 1, 2, 3.
Yum. That is so yum.
Really? Is it good? Oh, straight away.
Thumbs up. I like this.
Thumbs down. Well, I got 1 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down. I'm very happy with that. I'm so proud of you guys for trying it.
You're good at cooking.
I'll take it.
I've got to tell my friends that I ate all this.
I mean, they're still eating it, you guys.
I want another bite.
I'm taking those thumbs up as a big win. Now, it's time for the kids to rate my footy skills. Woohoo! Let's go. Click on the links below to check out my recipes and don't forget to subscribe.